Morning everyone. I am here to report the instrumentation pyrometer report. Um, the topic of the pyrometer is first is the principle of operation, second is technical design, and the rest as you can read. So the principle of operation is that measuring device and also object temperature and electromagnetic radiation as you can read the highlights. Second is it measures the objects and sensing the heat radiations. So as you can see the actual photos, mao nang actual nga pyrometer and then the illustration. Dayon second is ang technical design. Sa makita nyo dira, mao ni siya ang Manomark filter, planetary of lamp, lens, then sa ubos din mo ng ammeter, variable resistance, and mo din na ang heat object nga gina-measures niya. Dayon, nay duwa ka klase ka types of pyrometer which is ang optical pyrometers ug ang infrared or radiation pyrometers. Mao na siya. Dayon sa fourth, nay duwa ka electronic components ug non-electronic components. Dayon, if maningala mo unsay meaning anang red ug blue, can you see the right side legend? Mao na siya. Dayon ang measuring range and limitations. Infrared pyrometers, mukha siya sa 50 Celsius to 3,000 Celsius. Optical pyrometers that be used for 600 Celsius to 3,000 Celsius microfarad. Then, ang emissive object which is measures of how efficiently dayon distance of spot ratio, transparency of repeatedly, it can be interfaced with accurate temperatures, mao ang transparency and repeatedly. Second is ambient conditions, response times. Ang kaning response times mao ni ang stable temperature nga murid siya after being pointed at one object. Ang calibration mao na imong i-adjust, imong kuanon siya sa like sa multitester, imo siyang i-adjust. Dayon it can be maintaining the accuracy of pyrometer. And that's all. Thank you.